Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video will feature a variety of short haircuts that you can try in 2023. So if you've been looking for a new way to shake things up, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have the stylist doing a bob makeover. Gorgeous chocolate brown hue, center part down the middle. Beautiful classic bob. Looks like the next client has decided to add in some curtain bangs. Wow, that really added a nice amount of layers to her hair. Beautiful transformation. It's such a subtle change, but it really made a huge impact on her style overall. Beautiful. And then we see someone mix it up with this bold pink shade, bit of a rocker chic shaggy mullet going on with that one. And then we have someone with long purple hair. So it looks like she's decided to cut the hair into a bob. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And I really like the color with the bob as well. It's just so bold and fun. So then we see someone decide to switch things up with this gorgeous bob. And the mini bob is a very popular hair trend right now. You could also classify this as a pixie bob. It features elements of the bob and the pixie. Oh, another gorgeous bob transformation. Absolutely stunning. Next up, we see someone with long hair who also wants to get a bob. And she does have face framing highlights. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And I love the way that the color looks. Amazing. So it looks like they're going to be doing a cut and hair color transformation for this next one. Alfredo Lewis and Philip Wolf, two of my favorite stylists. Oh, wow. Absolutely breathtaking. So she went bright blonde with a shag. Gorgeous. And then we have another bob haircut. This is an absolutely stunning classic bob makeover. So fresh and effortless. I love it. So I hope that you guys were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. Let us know in the comments below which hair transformation or hairstyle was your favorite. And if you want to see even more hot hair ideas, you can check out this video next.